A merchant in a small town was known for his honesty. One day, a customer purchased a defective item from him without realizing it. When the customer returned, complaining about the item, the merchant listened attentively and apologized for the inconvenience. Without hesitation, he offered to replace the item or refund the customer's money. The customer was impressed by the merchant's fairness and honesty. This story illustrates the importance of honesty in Islam. Honesty builds trust and respect in the community, and it is a fundamental aspect of a Muslim's character. By being truthful and fair, Muslims can build strong, harmonious relationships and communities. The Quran emphasizes the importance of honesty, encouraging Muslims to be fair and just in all their dealings. By following this principle, Muslims can earn the trust and respect of others and live with integrity. Honesty is a guiding principle that leads to righteousness and a strong moral character.